You are born into a game, but nobody explains the rules. You go to school, get a job, save your money, invest where people tell you to invest. You work hard for 40 years. Then one day, you look at your bank account and realize something uncomfortable. If you miss a few paychecks, everything starts falling apart. That is not just bad luck. It is how the system works. The people who build wealth are not always smarter. Many of them simply play by a different set of rules. And today, those rules matter more than ever. Prices are rising faster than many paychecks. Technology is changing faster than most careers. The advice that worked 30 years ago does not always work today, yet millions of people are still following the same old path. Meanwhile, a small group keeps building wealth using the same 5 ideas again and again. Let's look at them. The first rule: wealth is not about how much you earn. It is about how much you keep. That sounds obvious. But think about your paycheck. Taxes come first, then bills, then subscriptions, then insurance, then loan payments. Before you know it, most of your money already belongs to someone else. Even the cash sitting safely in your savings account is slowly losing buying power because prices keep rising. The people who build wealth ask a different question. Not, how much did I make, but how much did I actually keep? The second rule: the system rewards ownership, not just hard work. When you work for money, you stop earning the moment you stop working. There are only 24 hours in a day. But when you own something, a business, a rental property, or shares in good companies, those assets can keep producing value, even while you sleep. This is one of the biggest differences between income and wealth. Income depends on your time. Wealth depends on what you own. The third rule: time is your greatest advantage. People think investing is about finding the perfect stock. Most of the time, it is simply about starting early. Imagine 2 people. One invests a small amount every month starting at age 25. Another waits until 45, then invests much more. Many people are surprised to learn the first person can still end up with more money. Why? Because time allows growth to build on top of growth, year after year. That is something money alone cannot replace. The fourth rule: small costs become very big over time. Most people worry about market crashes. Very few worry about tiny fees. But imagine paying just 1% every year on your investments. It sounds harmless, almost invisible. Yet over 30 years, that small fee can reduce a large part of your total gains. The same thing happens with hidden bank fees, high investment costs, and unnecessary taxes. None of them feel painful today. Together, they quietly take away years of future growth. The fifth rule: the market is driven by people, and people are emotional. When prices go up, everyone wants to buy. When prices fall, everyone wants to sell. Fear, greed, excitement, panic. These emotions have destroyed more wealth than bad investments ever have. The people who succeed are usually not the smartest. They are simply the calmest. They follow a plan, while everyone else follows the crowd. Now compare these 5 ideas to what you see every day. Social media tells you wealth comes from finding the next hot stock, making one lucky trade, getting rich overnight. But real wealth usually looks boring. Keeping more of your income, owning assets, giving your investments time to grow, avoiding unnecessary costs, and staying calm when everyone else is emotional. That may not sound exciting, but it has worked for generations. Now zoom out. Imagine two people. One spends 40 years chasing bigger paychecks. The other spends 40 years following these 5 rules. They may start in the same place, but they rarely finish there. Because wealth is not built in one big moment. It is built through thousands of small decisions, made over many years. So here is the question. If these ideas have always been available, why are they almost never the first things we are taught? Maybe the biggest financial advantage is not earning more money. Maybe it is simply understanding the game before you spend your whole life playing it.